What's up, you guys? Welcome to SK Tech Corner. It is my second video and to publish on my YouTube channel, and this video is by request. If you do like the video, please do punch that like button and do not forget to subscribe. It will help me a lot. Today, I'm going to show you guys how you can set a time limit for a category of apps. For example, games or social networking, and for individual apps. Alright, let's jump into this quickly and see what we can do over here to limit yourself from using certain apps. Okay, fair enough, I've tried this and it works for me, and I'm going to share with you guys today how you can actually do it yourself. Alright, let's jump into settings. Okay, go to screen time. Alright, as you can see here, there are categories over here. You can see that I've spent daily average in a day. I've spent 9 hours and 15 minutes on apps the whole day today. So let's see on the activity that I've used Netflix a lot, which is about 4 hours and 52 minutes. Of course, I've been binge watching The Good Doctor today. Trust me, it's amazing. The show is amazing, and you guys should check it out. Okay, Instagram, of course, who doesn't spend most of the time on Instagram, right? All of us do spend most of the time on Instagram. WhatsApp, Facebook, and I've also downloaded, I was bored today, so I decided to download Heroes. So I played about 21 minutes and then I got bored and probably will delete this game off. Okay, anyway, so how you're going to limit yourself from using, let's take Facebook. Okay, you spend about 23 minutes today on Facebook, so let's set a limit for this app, shall we? Okay, let's go to social media and click on Facebook. Once you click on Facebook, set a time limit. I think it was 21 minutes. So, but just as it, if you set 21 minutes, and you can even customize your day, all the days, how many, in 7 days, how many minutes do you want to spend, on the app. You can actually set the time limit and on the days as well. And let's add this. Let's go to Facebook, and you can see here it doesn't allow me. It will say time limit, you have reached your limit on Facebook. If you ignore the limit, it will say 1 more minute, remind me in 15 minutes, or ignore limit for the day. So I'll click on OK, but the trick here is that I'm going to show you how it works and how it stops you from using, because it just pops up the screen and tell you not to use it. So I've used Facebook today for 23 minutes. So, oops, sorry. Let's go to Facebook, click on 24 minutes. And let's see how it goes. You see, now it doesn't show, so it allows you to go inside and have a look. So there you go. Let's see. Once you start using, and when the time hits, it will tell you that you have reached your time limit. Oh wow, White set to complete 15 million transfer. Nice, Arsenal. There you go. It tells you time limit, you have reached your limit on Facebook. If you're going to ignore you can always ignore 1 more minute. You can ask Apple to give you 1 more minute, or remind me in 15 minutes, or you can ignore the limit for the day. The choice is yours. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. It's very simple and it's a very short video, and I hope you guys have a productive day, or productive week, productive year ahead. Okay, by setting your apps to actually limit yourself from using the apps more and do more something productive. Okay, that's all from me. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you guys soon. And please don't forget to subscribe, like the button, share it with your friends, anyone who wants to know how to limit their usage with apps. Okay, if you have any questions, leave your comments on the comment section down below. And if you don't like the video, I don't mind. You can always give the dislike button. If you like the video, please like it, share it. It helps a lot. Thank you very much, and take care.